Hi, Stan.
Ari, how are you?
I'm doing well.
Yeah, just following up on that previous question on Airtable. That's what caught my attention the other day. What's a good starting point? Starting from scratch, learning it. It's one of those things that how much can you learn? There's just too many tools to learn. How much effort do you think we need to put into it?
Very, very little because, and I can, so how old are you, Stan?
How old do you think I am?
45.
58, but feeling 35.
Well, then I'm sorry that I got too old for you. So do you remember when Excel came out?
When Excel came out? Well, yes.
Yeah. I mean, not the date, just vaguely when it came out. Okay. And do you remember ever seeing MS Base or FileMaker Pro?
Vaguely, yeah. Before that.
That's all I need. Vaguely is enough. You can use Airtable.
Yep.
So this is a funny thing about it, I have to say, and I don't know this was who designed it or how they designed it, but I've had conversations with thousands and thousands of entrepreneurs in my life at this point, and there is a certain, I don't know, and let's say a generational, but there's a certain age of people in just sort of the life cycle of tech that just felt comfortable or remembered or recognized like using a spreadsheet for the first time. And if you can do that, you can use Airtable, because when you open up Airtable the first time, it's basically a spreadsheet. The learning curve is, it's almost non-existent, honestly. Now, when you want to get into sort of bells and whistles and more complicated stuff, then yes, so you have to sort of learn that, but building upon what's already there, and you can even import an Excel spreadsheet, by the way. It becomes very, very intuitive in the way that it works. But here's the hack, which I was pleasantly surprised to find out, and I've used myself. I can hear everything you're writing, Felix. It sounds like you're scratching your head. You can ask ChatGPT for help. You can ask ChatGPT to help you set up a Zap, believe it or not. So if you literally be like, I'm setting up a thing in Airtable, and I did this. This is the cool thing. So I should have talked about this. I used Airtable to help me figure out how to structure this module tracker for this rescue squad thing that I'm doing. So I can say, look, I'm trying to do this thing, and this is how I'm setting up. It's in Airtable. What do you think? How do you think I should structure it? And it told me, and it gave me step by step how I should set it up. So it's very easy to get started, and then contextually, if you use Airtable as sort of your AI tutor, in a way, you'll get a lot farther than you might think.
Thank you.
Cool. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for that question.